Hello everyone, very good day to everyone out there. In this video, we will see how to build the AWS SAM app for API Gateway and Lambda function. We know that serverless application model is specifically designed for the serverless applications, whereas for the cloud formation, we can use more than the serverless, right? In this video, we will see how to create the basic AWS SAM app with the help of API Gateway and Lambda function. This is Synopsis. I will put this blog in our description section. You can refer this as well, how to create the basic SAM application. Okay. First we'll see how to create the first AWS SAM application, and how to build the SAM app and invoke the function locally with the help of Docker. And third one, deploying the AWS SAM app into the AWS Cloud environment, and invoking the Lambda function directly, Lambda event handler directly, and how to delete the stack SAM application we have created. Okay. In order to do this, these are the prerequisites we required: AWS account with admin privileges, and then Node.js latest version, Visual Studio Code, any IDE version, and AWS CLI, and then you need a Docker desktop version. Docker desktop version, and then SAM CLI required. And basically, what we are going to do, we are going to build the API gateway and the Lambda with the help of AWS SAM. Okay. Okay, we'll first go on to the hands-on demo. First, we'll create the AWS SAM application with the help of the default template AWS SAM provides, right? Okay, we'll start with this command SAM init, SAM init. It will help you to create the full stack template. Okay, it asks SAM init help which template you would like to use. We'll start with the AWS Quick Start template. Okay, and this we are going to use Hello World example Quick Start application template. Which popular language runtime you are going to use? Python and package type. Okay, make it yes. Enable X-ray tracing. Okay, not required. Okay, enable monitoring using CloudWatch. Make it yes. And then if you like to structured logging, no. Okay, project name I'm going to give JSON. Okay, it is generating the application. Okay. Okay, we are done with this step. We need to confirm the runtime and package, and we need to give the project name. Once you've done this, generating application as created, you need to just give this code down. Code down. It will load the project file into it. Okay, it's created that. You can close this ID. You can open this one. Okay, here by default, um, this will come with Python 3.9. We need since in my machine Python 3.9 is not there, so I'm going to change that to Python 3.11. Okay. Okay, if you see this right, if you go inside the hello world function app.python, it will have a default lambda handler thing, and it will have a default message. Okay. Here, instead of hello world, what I'm going to write now browser. I'm going to save this. Okay. The second thing is we have created the basic SAM application. It contains a Lambda function and API gateway as well. Okay, this is the API gateway and a Lambda function we have built. Okay, this is a YAML template. It contains hello world function. Okay, and then events is API gateway, and this path is hello get. Okay, this is the get call we are doing. Method is get call, and the path is hello. Okay, 3.11 is the runtime we are using. Okay, these are the outputs we are written here. Okay, once a SAM has been built and deployed, we'll generate this output. Okay, um, let me go to that. Okay, in order to invoke the function locally, we need a Docker desktop up and running. So I'll open Docker desktop. Okay, once Docker desktop is up and running, let me build this code. Whatever we have made the changes, right? Python runtime and everything. So we'll do this using SAM build command. Okay, launches a Docker desktop app. Docker desktop app has been launched. SAM complete whatever the changes we have made, we have built that. Okay, here once after the validate, we need to do the SAM local invoker. Just copy this and paste it here. SAM local invoke. Okay, the build got succeeded. Okay, then now we can invoke the function. Okay, what I did is I removed all the images from the Docker desktop app and I built the new images. Okay, once after done that, I could able see the message what we have done, where there is a will, there is a way, right here. Okay, now next what we are going to do, we are going to deploy this SAM app into the AWS Cloud. Okay, in order to do that, we need to follow this command, SAM deploy command. Okay, my profile is a default profile, so I'm going to use the same. Okay, once if you run this deploy command, it will prepare the change set. What are things you need to deploy? Basically, we are going to deploy the Lambda function code handler and the API gateway. Okay, we need to confirm this stack set on, then only it will be deployed into the AWS Cloud. We'll wait for a few minutes. CLM IAM creation role. Yes. Previously provisioned resource operation fail. No. Yes. No. Basically, it is looking for the YAML template in order to do the deployment. Okay, it's creating the change set. Okay, it created this change set. We need to confirm the change set, then only it will deploy. Similar to the Terraform, how we are going to deploy this stack into the AWS Cloud, right? Similar to that, we need to do for SAM serverless application model as well. Once the SAM app have been created, we'll go and see into the AWS Cloud whether API gateway and Lambda function been created or not. completed the creation. Okay, you can see the outputs, whatever you see in the outputs, right? All the outputs have been written here. Basically, in app.python file, in YAML file, you see in the outputs, right? These outputs have been seen here. Okay, we'll invoke this API separately in the browser. Okay, you can able to see the message, right? There is a way. Okay, this is how we need to deploy the AWS SAM app into the cloud environment. Okay, we need to verify in the Lambda function whether the Lambda function and API gateway is created or not. See, the Lambda function has been created. API gateway also been created. Okay. Okay. In order to host the API locally, we need to use this command sam local start API. So we can host this in our local host itself. Okay. We see this. We'll close this Docker desktop app. Sam local start API. Okay. Uh, we have started the API in the local host. Copy this command. Go to the new tab. Okay. Able to run this in the local host as well. Okay. Once we're done with we can directly invoke the Lambda function as well. We are going to call the Lambda event handler directly. Uh, this Lambda handler under template.yaml file. We are going to call the Lambda function, which is under resources, right? Hello world Lambda function. We're going to call directly. Okay. Now what you are doing, you are directly invoking the YAML file hello world function. We can see the messages here itself. Basically, we are calling that template.yaml and then event.json, which is here, right? Event.json. we are directly invoking the Lambda handler. See, you are able to see the message directly in the terminal. Okay, once completion with this, we need to delete the stack, otherwise it will cost us. So what we need to do, we need to use the SAM delete command. Okay, and then stack name, which is SAM app. Sure, want to delete the stack in use. Yes, we need to confirm that. Want to delete the folder which is S3, which contains the yes. Okay, it is deleting the all. Okay, deleted, I mean completed successfully. If we go to the Lambda function, just refresh this page. Okay, all the functions have been deleted. Okay, okay. In this video, we had seen how to create the AWS SAM application and how to invoke locally with the help of Docker desktop app, and then how we going to deploy the AWS SAM app into the AWS Cloud. Okay, and then how to invoke it locally with the help of local invoke start API. Okay, and how we are going to delete the created stack. Okay, thank you. Probably in next few days we'll come up with another use case. Thank you everyone.